Hey guys, so in today's video, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to fix too many attempts, try again later TikTok. So I'll go ahead and show you guys how you guys can go ahead and fix that. So let's just go ahead and get right into the video. So the number one diagnose that you can actually go ahead and use to actually get rid of that error is if you go ahead and head over to the App Store and make sure that your app is actually updated, guys. It's very important that the app is actually updated. So if I head over to my TikTok here, you guys can see that it is currently updated. It is currently to its version. So just make sure that you are actually updated to the recent TikTok update. Now, if that doesn't work for you, mainly some of the cases might be that it might not recognize your internet connection. So sometimes this does happen to me because I do run a lot of affiliate marketing accounts when it comes to TikTok. Now, some of the cases that might fix this is if I head over and go and click off of my Wi-Fi and use cellular data. That usually fixes my problem, or log in with a proxy as well. That does fix it as well. So that's second way on how you can go ahead and fix that. Now, the third way, guys, is if you go ahead and delete the app, right? Deleting the app is going to go ahead and remove some of the cache and stuff, and essentially going to go ahead and fix all of that. Now, you're going to want to go ahead and log in back to your account, and it should work from there. But if that doesn't work for you either, let's say you can't just log into your account and it shows too many attempts, try again later. You're going to obviously want to reset the password of the account that you actually do have. So just head over to the login and click forgot password, and then go ahead and recover through your email or phone number. And more than likely, this will always work, right? So go ahead and try those out, guys. Those are some of the solutions that I have for you guys in today's video. And if you found some of these solutions extremely helpful, please leave a like on this video, guys. Please subscribe to the channel, and I'll go ahead and see you guys until next time.